In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Stan Store account. This process involves navigating through your account settings to ensure a complete and permanent deletion of your account. Begin by logging into your Stan Store account using your credentials. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the main dashboard of your. Next, locate the Settings tab situated in the bottom left menu of the screen. Clicking on this tab will direct you to various account management options. After selecting Settings, look for the Security tab within the Settings menu and click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Security section, look for the button labeled Delete My Account. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation field to appear. Here, you will need to type the word Delete into the confirmation field to verify your intention to delete your account. After typing Del, click on the button that says Permanently Delete My Account. This action will initiate the account deletion process. You should see a notification confirming that your deletion request has been processed, and an email will be sent to you to confirm the deletion. The account will not be deleted immediately. Rather, it will be scheduled for deletion after 7 days. During this period, you may want to check if you have any active subscriptions or funds that need addressing. If you do not see the delete option in the Security tab, ensure that you are indeed in the correct section of your account settings. Sometimes user interface changes or specific account settings might temporarily hide this option. Additionally, make sure to cancel any active subscriptions by navigating to Settings, then Billing, and cancelling your subscription there. You should also cash out any available funds from your Income tab to avoid leaving money behind. Furthermore, manually cancel any active customer memberships to prevent ongoing charges. If the delete option still does not appear after these checks, it may indicate a technical issue or a specific account limitation. In such cases, it is advisable to reach out directly to the Stan support team for assistance. You can contact them via email at friends@stanwith.ma. They are equipped to help you with account deletion or provide further guidance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.